This tutorial will cover setting up notifications for your VeriSolutions system. When your device is within a certain temperature range, no issues will be reported and you won't receive any notifications. The ideal temperature range is defined by a bottom and a top threshold. In the Unit section, click on the name of a unit that you want to set up. Then click on the pencil icon next to the device whose range you want to define. You can click and type in this area to change the top and bottom thresholds for the ideal range. You can also select the amount of time that a device can be out of range before you receive an alert. Changing the values for humidity is the same process as temperature. In order to reduce excessive and unnecessary notifications, we've included a buffer zone. If a device's temperature or humidity is outside of its ideal range, but is within the buffer, you won't receive a notification. The device will be listed as having an issue though. This is for situations where the temperature is not perfect, but it's also not dangerous enough to require a notification. Once the temperature exceeds the buffer zone, you will receive a notification. You can define the value for the buffer threshold by clicking on the pencil icon next to the unit's name at the top of the window. Scroll down to the notification section. This is where you can adjust the threshold. Additionally, there's a setting for notification frequency, which controls how often the system will send out repeat notifications if a device does not return to the ideal temperature range. You can adjust the same settings for humidity. Finally, make sure that you enable notifications. Go to the My Profile tab and scroll down to the Notifications section. Click on the toggle switches to enable or disable email and text notifications.